to know the difference between the different type of licenses. Either you need to know the difference between the different types, or you need to have someone very close to you whom you trust, who knows the difference between the different type of licenses. It is important and essential actually, because you need to know what kind of authorization you will need for your project to make sure to avoid any troubles later when it's going to be too late to find solutions. There's a million different type of scenarios in terms of media, authorization, licenses, tarif. But just to give you an idea, you have the synchronization license. That is when you want to synchronize a music on a visual. You have the reproduction license, that is mechanical license also, when you want to copy some work into physical support, like a CD or a DVD. You could also need public execution license, which is to perform in public. But these are only 3 out of 1,000 different possible scenarios. Because of the dynamic of the business and the law that is changing sometimes, or the regulations that are changing, maybe you knew the answer yesterday and it changed since then. So make sure you always confirm, even if you think you know exactly what you need, make sure you always confirm the information. Don't be shy to ask questions. I've been doing what I do for almost 15 years now, and I still have questions every day of my life. It's normal not to know everything. It's normal to find it confusing. So make sure you ask questions as much as you need. Make sure you surround yourself with people whom you trust. And don't hesitate to refer to experts whenever you have a question.